splashing in Afu Aau. It was a seki, sunny holiday in Savaii. I was excited because my dad, uncle, and auntie were taking me to a special place, the Afu Aau waterfall. My dad said, if you want to go, you have to change into your togs. I rushed with excitement to get ready. Uncle led us into his car and we all took off to Afu Aau as fast as we could. In the car, I could feel the warmth of the Samoan breeze and could see so many coconut trees flashing by the side of the road. A few minutes later, we arrived at the waterfall. I couldn't wait to go swimming. Dad said, let's walk down to the bottom so we can hop in safely. Auntie and Uncle both agreed. First, Dad and Uncle both did a munning into the pool. Splash! Come on guys, hop in. It's warm, said Uncle. Auntie said, okay Raya, it's our turn. Do you want to jump in at the same time? I thought that was a great idea. As soon as we jumped in, the water went up with another massive splash. It was so fun. Dad and I had a swimming race to the waterfall and touched a big rock. Dad won, obviously. When I went underwater, I could see a turtle crawling up a rock. It was so cute. Later on, I saw my turtle friend again, swimming just beneath the surface. It was getting late, so we climbed out, dried up, and drove back to our family house. What a wonderful memory, and what a beautiful place in Savaii. I had a great day splashing at the Afu Aau waterfall and can't wait to go back again soon. The end.